Okay, welcome back again. So, in continuation of our last class, so what we are doing now is how to set permalinks. So, what we call permalinks? The permalinks is the directory on your URL when you visit any link. As you can see here, we have a lot of permalinks, like about how many of them? One, two, three, four, five, about 6 of them. The first one is plain. And how does this plain works? At the end of your website name, you can see our website here is a localhost slash our website name slash. Now, whatever you click will now be the next thing after the full name of your website. You can see I go to sample page. Now, see what is showing us, page underscore ID equals to 2. So that is the naming convention of a naming nomenclature of a plane, meaning that you assign a particular ID to every page. Then if you go to another one that I just clicked now, you see it changed from that ID to sample page. So that's why you discover that when you visit any website, if you go to any of their link or menu, it will change to that particular page name immediately after the website name. That is what we call permalinks in WordPress. Okay. So, and the best permalinks you can choose, the best naming permalinks you can choose is post name. That is, you don't want any other names or number or anything attached after the actual website name at the end, except that particular page name. As in this case, we have sample page. Yes, what should be shown after the website name should be slash sample page. So, which is why the best naming to use, or the best permalink to use, is post name. Why, as I'm changing this, why it's not changing is because the sample page by default came with the WordPress. But by the time we start creating our own page, you will see how all these things changes. But for now, you may see that only the plain changes here, but the rest still show sample dash page. Going forward, as we start creating pages, I will try to go back and show you how all this thing works. Okay. So, but basically, once you just launch your WordPress website, the first thing to do is to set your permalinks. Okay. Make sure you set it to post name. Once you click on post name, just click save changes, and you are done with your permalinks. So, in our next video, I'll be showing you how to create posts. Okay. And when we create posts, we will now check the permalinks for each post to see how it changes from all these permalinks, so that you now know the best to choose when you're setting up your WordPress website. I hope you'll get that. Look out for the next video, okay, on posts, and be able to see what we are saying here. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.